Didn't observe that. Logical data type, numerical data types, floating point data types, character related data types, logical data types. Fifth one is
General data.
General data type.
general data
General data
types.
type.
Okay, right. Coming to the numerical data types, numerical data, a number which is not having fractional part called as numerical data. Example for numerical data 10, 20 like that. According to the positive data and negative data, these numerical data types are again how many types? Two types.
And
Two types.
Number one,
signed
a
numerical data type.
Signed.
what is the
Signed numerical data.
signed numerical data types? Signed numerical data
Unsigned
types. Now, yeah, Renuka, tell me, second category is what?
Unsigned numerical data.
Unsigned. Second category is unsigned numerical data types.
Data types.
Right. Now, Shekhar, tell me what is the difference between signed and unsigned? Shekhar, what is the difference between signed and unsigned?
Signed numerical data types
The data which you put the
positive
positive value and negative values for signed numerical
Let
data
him
type.
one person, like I am maintain this,
unsigned.
like I am addressing a single person, let them answer. Okay, and you people can respond through chat. Right. Tell me,
Unsigned numerical data types allows only positive values.
signed numerical data types can contain what?
I didn't
Positive,
get you. The signed numerical data types contains both positive and negative
negative, like
values.
10 minus 10. Okay, you can have. Unsigned means it can contain. Renuka, mute yourself. Whenever I am muting, don't unmute again. Means the noise is coming from your side. Right. Unsigned numerical data types can contain
Only
what?
positive values.
Only positive values. Unsigned can contain only positive values like 10,
Positive
like that. Okay. Now again, according to the sizes, signed numerical data types are classified into 4 types. 1, 7, first
S byte.
category. 7,
S byte.
as
S byte,
fine.
sir.
2,
Short.
2, short,
Short.
3,
Int.
into 4,
Long.
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 This category is based on sizes. First category, that numerical floating, is based on type. This is based on positive and negative. This is based on size. S byte predefined size is 1 byte. Short predefined size is 2 bytes. And int predefined size is 4 bytes.
4 bytes.
And long predefined size is 8 bytes.
8 bytes.
Okay. Now coming to, we discussed yesterday S byte. Clearly we discussed about S byte. S byte. Yes. S byte. Okay. S byte, S stands for signed. Here S stands for signed. Okay. S stands for signed. Predefined size is 1 byte. Means 1 into 8. 1 into 8. Whenever you have noise, you can find yourself, you can mute yourself. Why you people are disturbing the whole session? It's recording. Please try to maintain that. And whenever I am muting means that indicates that from your side, sometimes without your knowledge also noise will come. Nobody are there, but even the network noise will come. That's the reason. If I am muting means some noise is coming from your end. Don't try to unmute. Right. 1 byte. 1 into 8 equal to 8 bits of signed integers. Okay, right. Next, after that, we have discussed about base types. Like, what is the base type for S byte?
System dot S byte.
Yeah, system dot S byte. We have discussed, after that, we have discussed base type, that is CTS type. CTS stands for common type system. Base type of S byte is system dot S byte. That you can check.
Right.
We'll try to maintain, because generally whenever there is online training is going on, the organizer called faculty will mute all the people. He will give one-way training. But I don't like that because that is almost all equivalent to YouTube video. So here it is not like that. We will have a lot of interaction like a live session, no doubt about that. Because every moment I am asking questions and as well as you are writing programs and sometimes I'm giving my mouse and keyboard to you means you are writing the program on board like classroom training. Sometimes I am going to check your book. Okay. Like more than classroom training, our session should be effective. That is my goal. And but this type of disturbances we have to plan and we have to avoid very cleverly. Okay, yeah, for that everybody's cooperation is required. Not only me should be responsible, everybody should be responsible. Next, let's say byte is the data type. Base type, if you want to see, or to see like this, system.byte. System.byte. You can observe here it is B small. Here B is what? Capital, like that. But about CTS type, slowly you will understand. But up to that, you remember one thing. For every C#.NET, you will have a CTS base type one. One base type will be there. And base type of S byte is that is system.S byte. System dot what is that? S byte. Okay. Now after that we have discussed yesterday what is the min value and what is the max value of S byte. Means how many from what range to what range S byte variable can accommodate. Okay, so means if you created S byte variable, it will consume the 8 bits of memory. So but data wise what range to what range it can accommodate. If you want to know that, if you want to know from which range to which range it can be hold by the S byte, right? How we can,
Console.writeline.
1 minute, console.writeline. You can check with S byte dot min value and console.writeline. New guys, console.writeline is similar like printf in C language. It will print something, given value, max value and min value. Here S byte is your data type. Min while and max value are predefined constants. Min value will return the starting range and max value will return the starting range of the given data type. Here given data type is S byte. Now you guys, you can see yes, minus 128 to 127. Finally, we can say S byte variable can accommodate minus 128 to 127. This we discussed about S byte yesterday. Now we are going to discuss about short. Short, yes. Short predefined size is 2 bytes. 2 bytes means it can accommodate when you create a short variable, it will allocate the 2 bytes memory. 2 into 8. 2 into 8. 2 into 8 means how many? 16
bits of memory.
signed integers. So finally you can say if you will create a short variable that will consume the 16 bits memory. Bit represents either 1 byte equal to 8 bits. 1 byte equal to 1 bit is representing with either 0 or 1. 0 or 1 are not numerical. Binary 0, binary 1. Means if you create a short variable in the memory, it will allocate for that variable 2 bytes memory. Right. Now next, yeah, 16 bits. And let's find the min value and max value. Before that, let's find the base type of short is, come on. I want to know the base type of the short. Okay guys, now yeah, Shravya, tell me how to find the base type of the short type. Short and check, keep the cursor on the short. IntelliSense will show you pop up system dot into 16 is the base type. Into 16 Why they have given into? Because short is a numerical data type. Why 16? Because short predefined size is 2 bytes. 2 bytes means 16 bits 16 bits. That's why they have given name like that. Finally, we can say short base type of short is system dot into
Into 16.
16
16.
into 16. Come on. Next to, yes. Yeah, we need to know min value and max
Minimum.
value, min value and max value of, right, max value of short. I want to know. So, Shiva Kumar, come on, tell me how to know min value, max value.
Console.
Console dot
Console.
write line.
Right line.
All of you guys, if you
Short.
see,
Short.
if you are
Short
attending the
dot.
class, if you are sitting in front of the, wait, if you are sitting in front of the computer, then only log in. Otherwise, don't log in. Okay, if you miss the class, I can give you the recordings. Okay, and don't expect that I'll give you recordings. That's why you are missing the session. You have to inform to me. Then only I'll share recordings. Now onwards, don't expect that every recording I'm going to share to you. It is important for you. If you are missing the session because of valid reason, then only I'll share you the recordings. If I will share all the recordings, what you will do, you will never attend classes regularly. That is also a problem which I have seen last time. And every week, 2 times I will share the recordings. Come on, for missing people only. Console dot write line short dot
Short.
Short.
what is that
Minimum
min
value.
value,
Min value.
right?
Min value.
Console dot
Console dot write line.
write line.
Short.
Wait, no.
Max.
Max value, max value. No, don't speak. I'll ask Shiva Kumar. Ask the. He has to answer, not other people. Because
Okay.
noise is coming. Come on. Now you see min value. Oh, min value is minus 32,768. Max value is 32,767. So huge amount of data. So now let's see the some real-time variables. Some examples for short. Some examples for short. Examples for short. Examples for short. Okay, guys. Examples for short. Okay, short examples we'll see. Now I'm asking question. Come on. Right. Okay, Urmil, just give me the answer. Short A equal to 1000. Urmil, valid or invalid?
Valid.
Valid. Next, Urmil only. Short B equal to 10.5. Valid or invalid?
Invalid.
Why?
Because it's a floating point data and it
10.5
is a
right. Short C equal to double quote 10. Valid or invalid?
invalid. It's a string data type.
Because it is string. Very good. Okay, like that. That is the story about short. So here the question is, yeah, real-time variable for short. Real-time variable. Real-time variable for short. One is yesterday lift numbers. Sometimes it is exceeding the limit of 127. Then you can go with short. Other than that, I want. Other than lift numbers, any other examples you have for short real time where you will use short
Temperature.
in real time.
Temperature.
Temperature, but the problem with the temperature is temperature may have fractional part, right? 40.5, 45.6, 20 point like that. Yes,
Employee
temperature.
IDs.
Temperature can
Mark.
be positive or negative. Next, come on. Who is this?
Employee IDs.
Room.
Employee numbers, one minute. Employee numbers will not have any negative value. And another problem is short is accommodating only up to 32,000. But my company is having 1 lakh employees. Till the time who work with 1 lakh people. So for every new employee will generate a new number. So that means exceeds. Next. And as well as no negative data in
Hotel room.
employee. Come on.
Hotel room numbers.
Hotel room numbers will not have any negative value. Next, think, because give me 100 wrong answers. By that you can understand 100. Yeah. Hmm. Hmm. Come on. Hmm. Come on, guys. No. Okay. Right. Yes. So you do one thing. I'm giving a task for you because already, okay, here floor numbers you can give as a chart. Floor number, lift numbers, chart, floor numbers. Because floor numbers may exceed after 127. Let's say 150 floors are there, as well as minus cellars will be there. But other than this, you are not getting anything. Do one thing. Task, find 5 short real time, 5 short real time examples and send to me. This is one task for today. Okay, remember, think, not required to search in Google. Think, by thinking you will get this. Okay, now next we are going with next into your favorite data type is into, okay, into 4 bytes, 4 into 8 equal to 32 bits, base type of int is, 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 one minute, into base type is system dot into 32. Why the name has given like this? Because into predefined size is 4 bytes, 4 into 8, 32 bits. That's the reason they have given name like that. So finally you can understand here base type is system dot into 32, right? So min value, max value you don't require to check because it will have huge data, no doubt, around 65,000. So what you can say, if it is assigned after short, you have to go with what? Into. Okay. Now can you give me real time variables for int now? Means range of after 32,000.
Population?
Come on.
Population of a country?
Population of, 1 minute. Population of a country. First of all, you see console dot write line into. If you will do research like this, you will get more knowledge about data types. Generally, whenever you are learning data types in C or C++, Java, people, even though in .NET also, people will teach just in what is what. But exactly where you are using, because they have given 8 numerical data types, 4 are signed, 4 are unsigned. But you can observe any requirement which is having numerical data, our people blindly will use, even the faculties or students or whoever, int into. If you want to use only single int, why 8 data types they will give? Okay, now you see, you are telling country population. Let's see, console dot write line into dot
Maybe this.
1 minute. First thing is, I have a question here. The question is, country population is a numerical data. I'll agree with you. Is it signed data or unsigned data?
It is assigned data.
No, signed data means can be positive or negative. That is called signed data. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Signed data means can be positive or negative. But population of the country will not have any negative values, right? There is no chance of negative value. That is the reason.
No, I meant to say is the population of a country can be plus minus to whatever the limit of the number. I mean, number you can say, suppose if it is 10 millions, it can be the plus minus 10 millions. It don't have to be exactly 10 million. That's what I meant.
No, not like that. Minus plus means what you know. The lift numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Temperature 10, 20, 30, 40, and minus 10, minus 1. That is called negative. Okay. Now come back to our discussion. In that way, you can say it's a first of all unsigned, as well as, okay, and limit wise no problem, but it is coming under unsigned. That is the reason population will not come under this. Now any more examples, guys? Come on. Real time variables for int. Come on. Tell me wrong. When you will give wrong answers, you are getting more clarity. I'm sure about that. Very simple point I'll tell you. You are searching
Points
for
in
a
games,
pen.
sir.
You are searching for a pen which you lost in the morning, but you didn't find pen, but you got, you are identified your diamond ring which you lost 1 week back. So like that, this type of preparations are called research oriented. Any more examples? Come on.
Number of
Points in
students in college, sir.
Number of students in college also again will come under only unsigned data. No negative value, right? Next.
points in a game, sir. Minus points and plus points.
Games points will not have this much number, right? Means you can go with, if there is a positive negative points in games, you can go with the first data type called S byte. Why we have to use 4 bytes memory for that simple data? Because points in a game's maximum value is how much in the game? Maximum, you take any game, 100 or 200, 300 points, right? So that you can go with either short, S byte or short. Why you have to use 4 bytes memory for that? Next.
Okay, sorry.
Max.
Right. Yeah.
Employee ID number.
Employee. No. 1 minute. Employee ID again will come under unsigned.
Stocks.
Stocks.
Max.
Fraction numbers, sir.
Sorry. Stock will have fractional data. So again here also I'm giving a task. No. Think twice and think twice and thrice. Identify the five and whatever answer you are telling also should understand by all the people, because some examples may not understand how other people. Suppose you are taking medical domain example, if you will tell that can understand by only medical people like doctors. Give me some bank, this type of general examples, and send me 5 real-time variables for int also. Okay. Finally, we understood one thing. The frequently using into data type by the every programmer in India or in worldwide, we are unable to find a single real-time variable for this, but without the knowledge, blindly we are using into. You are not following the coding standards. Are you clear? People will use, for any simple data, they will use int only. Okay. Now, long. Next, long means 8 bytes. Means what? 8 equal to
Okay.
8 bytes. 8 into 8. 8 into 8, how much?
64.
64 bits. 64 bits. Okay. Coming to base type is. Coming to base type is. Can you guess the base type for long?
Yes, sir. System int.
System dot int.
You can guess. Guessing is very important here.
64
System dot into 64 because of 64 bits.
System.
Next,
bits.
you don't require to, because what is the smallest signed numerical data type? Smallest signed numerical data type is byte. And what is the biggest signed numerical data type?
Long.
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 Tell me the long real-time variable. Any real-time variable for long. Are you clear? Real-time variable.
Population.
Again, you are giving same answers which we discussed. Real-time variables for long. Real-time. Population, how can you give? Population is a positive data, right?
So what about shares?
Shares. Shares means what? I don't know. You tell me, explain the domain. What share, what amount?
Suppose if you buy a share of a company, sometimes it goes up and down.
Down, but it will have, it's money now. Money means it may have floating data, right? Some share value will be 300 rupees, 50
Yes.
and be like that. There is a chance of fractional value. That is the reason, okay? And no negative value, no share value will be minus 10 rupees, right? That is also valid point here, right? Am I right? Share
No,
value?
sir. Sometimes it goes into the minus when the shares go down. So it goes into the minus value.
Minus value, I don't
So,
know.
but like you said, it may be the floating value. Yeah.
Yes, we can't consider. Next, come on. Real-time variables for long.
So longitude and latitude.
Okay, fine. Find 5 variables for long also, and but when you are giving answer, you check it whether it is valid or not. Think about that, because why I am asking you to identify the five real-time variables. While you are identifying, don't search in the Google. You think, by thinking you will get a lot of clarity about the signed numerical data types, because finding the real-time examples for signed is bit of difficult. Unsigned is very easy. Final conclusion is 4 signed numerical data types we have. One is S byte, one is short,
Short.
int and long. Here
Int.
simple
Long.
question I'll ask you. First, when you will go for numerical data types, whenever you want to
It is
accomplish numerical data. Second point, when you will go for signed numerical data types, if that numerical data can contain either positive value or negative value. Among that 4, when you, smallest one is S byte, biggest one is long. Here the question is, when you will go with smallest one?
Null value.
Whenever the numerical data, signed numerical data is very small amount, you will go with S byte. Sorry, S byte. When you will go with long, if the numerical data is, the
Very long.
numerical
Very
data is
long.
having,
But
what is that?
Marks of a student in a competitive exams are like negative marking.
Yeah. Okay. But there, how much? What is the max value?
Max value will be around my. If everything is wrong, then it goes to. It depends on the exam, sir.
Yeah, it depends.
Like
But see, it may have floating data, right? Yeah. Okay. So think about that. Marks.
marks can have floating data, sir. Like it's either +1 or -3.
Right. Okay. Then you can go with S byte. Here only one thing. S byte means smallest signed numerical data. Long means biggest signed numerical data. You have you have huge amount of signed numerical data, then you will go with what? Long. Like that you do one thing. Identify the min value and max value by tomorrow for 4 signed numerical data types. You find 5 real-time examples. And the examples before you are sending to me, check twice, thrice, then only you send to me. Okay. Now come back to unsigned numerical data types. Unsigned numerical data type means it may contain only, it may contain
contains
only command, only positive values.
contains
positive.
Positive value means, okay, like 10,
0
100,
to 10.
1000, like that. Okay. According to sizes, these are again 4 types. Okay.
Byte.
Urmila,
bytes.
Yeah.
Tammy, don't respond like that. I'll ask you when that time only, please respond. Explain the session. Byte, B. Yeah,
Too
guys.
short.
No, don't respond. If I will ask, only respond. Don't respond because noisy coming. Byte, you short.
You short. You ain't. You long.
Urmil, what I'm telling, don't respond. I'll ask you because unless I'll ask you.
You were asking me.
I'll ask you. When I'll ask you, respond. Okay? Don't. I'm just repeating. I'm giving. Okay. Byte, U short, U int, D, U long. Byte, U short, U int, U long. These are what? Unsigned. Remember, these are unsigned numerical data types based on sizes. Byte, same. S byte here, byte. There short, U short. Sorry. Unsigned. Yeah, U short. U stands for unsigned. There int here, U int. There long here, U long. U stands for unsigned. And based on sizes. Means what? Here 1 byte. Here 2 byte.
But I have a small question.
1 minute.
Why is it?
I understood. Wait. 4 byte. I'll give you a chance. Wait. 4 byte. Next 8 byte. Okay. Now you give me ask your question.
Why is it just U short, U int, U long? Why is it not U byte?
What is that? So the names no. To avoid the confusion, they have given different names. Byte again, U byte. Again, you short. You, what is that? Byte, U byte. What is the third name?
No, you int, you long, for everything he has given you as unsigned for short, int and long, but why not for byte?
Because already there for byte they have given already S byte. That's why here to give the clarity byte they have given. Okay. Why Hyderabad name is Hyderabad, Secunderabad name is Secunderabad. Okay. Okay. We can't give much clarity about that. Okay. Because simple. There S byte already they have given. Yes byte. So here simply they have given byte like that. Okay. Right. Next byte means predefined size. Byte means byte predefined sizes.
Byte.
Any questions you have, better to give. I'll give a chance end of the session. That last you can wait and you can discuss with me. Sometimes questions will be valid, sometimes invalid questions, unnecessary time waste, and it will disturb others' clarity. Now, predefined size is 1 byte and 1 into 8. 1 byte. Byte means you can, here you have to find what is some small confusion will be there. Let me give the clarity. 1 byte equal to 1 into 8 bits means here it can accommodate 8 bits of unsigned integers. There also 8 bits only S byte, but that is signed integers. The difference between signed and unsigned means unsigned integer means what? It can accommodate only
Positive.
positive. Again, internally how it will accommodate, that is not required for a programmer, because that is not required. Just remember one thing, S byte also 8 bits, but S byte here you can see S byte 8 bits is 8 bits of signed integers, can be positive or negative. Here 8 bits of unsigned means can be only negative value. And the next is base type is we have to check the base type here. You have to check the base type. Come on. Yeah, byte base type system dot byte. Here B is small, here B is capital. Okay, right, system dot byte. Importance of this base type slowly you will understand when you are writing programming. Give me some time. Okay, right. You write here system dot. If you have a habit of writing the notes on book, that will be really great. Effective training, that is effective learning. Okay, simultaneously pen and paper is there. What I am writing, you are also writing. Super.
Yes, sir.
Okay, but don't make paper noise to me. Okay, right, smoothly. Okay, because everything is matter here. Okay, now next min value and max value. Let's find the min value and max value of byte. Okay, now console effective learnings. I'll tell you, one is simultaneously writing on your paper, not in notepad. Paper work is good. Second effective is responding for every question through chart. Console dot write line byte dot min value. Again, console dot write line byte dot max value compilation. Yes, 0 to, you can observe 0 to 255, that is minus 128 to 127, because here 0 to 255 because it's unsigned, you cannot accommodate a negative value. That is a reason. Okay, so finally here we can write min value is 0, max value is 255. Okay, now 255. Next yeah, let's find some examples, not real time, first normal examples. You observe examples for byte. Byte A equal to 100. Now come on, 100.
Valid, sir.
1 minute.
Valid.
Valid? Valid. Byte B equal to minus 100. minus 100, minus 100,
Invalid.
Valid.
invalid, because it is a
Because
negative value, because it's a unsigned data. Unsigned data type we are trying to assign negative. Byte C equal to 10 double quotes, valid or invalid?
Invalid.
Invalid.
Valid.
Because string data. Next to byte D equal to 255,
Valid.
valid. Now byte
Valid.
E equal to 256,
Invalid.
Valid.
invalid. Byte F minus sorry 0,
Valid.
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 valid, 0 valid. Okay. Now byte FG minus 1,
Invalid.
Valid.
invalid. Okay, very good. Up to here, okay, fine. Everything is going well. Data types, really, the way the style of our learning is, will give you in-depth knowledge, but sometimes you will have a bit of confusion also, because we are going in very different manner. You check data types books anywhere, this type of discussions will not be there. So come on, but you have to concentrate more and more here. Okay. Next, we'll go with yeah, real time. Okay, real time variable for, yeah, I'm removing everything. Real time, I'll ask one person, don't respond all the people. Real time variable for, real time variable for byte. Okay, real time variable for byte. Now, yeah, Harsha, are you there? Harsha, okay. Now Neha, come and tell me, real time variable for byte. Neha.
Age.
Age. Byte age equal to 10. Why? Because age will not have any negative value, and age will start from 0, 1, 2, maximum 120, maximum Himalaya is staying in Himalaya 150, 150. Okay, but here we have to up to 250. But you observe age you declared, you want writing a program, you want to declare age according to your requirement. But our people will declare age as what? Into. Into, first of all, int is a signed, but age is a unsigned data. And second thing is you are accommodating 4 bytes memory. Here 1 byte is enough. Like that, appropriate data types. Whenever you write a program, declare appropriate data types. People will use for any numerical data into. They are not following the coding standards. But if you are declaring like this, 100% you will get good response. Now guys, next come back to our discussion. Any more examples for byte?
10th of a class.
Okay, what is that? Kalyani.
10th of a class.
Strength of
Students
the
are
class. Strength of the class means in Hyderabad, in my classroom, sometimes 500 students will be there.
So number of days in a month.
Let me check that. Byte number of days in month equal to, yeah, maybe 30, 20, max 31. So no problem. It is working, right? Yeah, next.
Body temperature, sir.
Body
Body
temperature.
temperature.
Body temperature, I think, may have a floating data, I hope, right? Floating.
Yes,
yes.
sir.
Oh yeah.
I don't know. See, I am not a medical candidate. I don't know all those things.
No,
But
there is a
I
floating.
hope
It is a
floating.
floating data.
Next.
number of months in a year.
Yeah, number of, what is that? Number of? Yeah, number of months here. Very good. Byte number of months in a year is 12. Right. Like that, guys. Now I am giving one task for you. All the tasks you remember. Task for you. Find how many real-time variables you can find for byte. Tell me how many you want. 10 or 20 or 30 or 100 or? It's
Pie chart, sir.
Try 50. Can you try 50?
50 and
Not 5.
either
If you
fake.
will find more,
I-
and here you, if you will find multiple, your subject will increase, right? Depth. More you think. Okay, 20 real-time variables for byte. You have to find and you have to send to me. Okay, now next data type is, yes, byte is over. Next U short. U short. Okay, right. U stands for, listen. U stands for unsigned. U stands for unsigned. U stands for unsigned. Okay, and predefined size is 2 bytes. 2 into 8 equal to 16 bits of unsigned integers. 16 bits of unsigned integers. Okay, next, come on, unsigned integers. Next, okay, yes, base type is, base type for what? U short. Okay guys, observe, right. Babu, 1 minute.
System dot.
U short,
Okay.
base type is system dot U into 16. Data types knowledge will be helpful in typecasting. Be careful. U into 16. Base type is system dot U into 16. Why 16? Because of 16 bits. Remember it. Okay. Okay. Min value, max value. You can check like this. Console dot write line. Urmil, tell me, min value is what?
Where? Oh yeah. U short dot mean value, console dot write line, U short dot.
How much, what it will print? What is the min value of U short?
0.
Zero.
0.
Zero. Any, 1 minute, any unsigned numerical, any unsigned data type you take, 0 only. Okay, right guys, very good. Now console dot write line U short dot max value. U short dot max value. U short dot max value. 65,535 is the max. Okay guys, now you tell me the real time variables for U short. Real time variables for U short. Come on, I'll ask one person. Don't give all the people respond together. Okay, now real time. Come on, Renuka. Come on, you respond. Renuka. You can respond now. Renuka. Next, Sammy, respond.
Yes, sir. Number of floors,
U short, is it?
students in a class.
1 minute,
Yes,
1
sir.
minute. U short. Tell me, what is that? U short. Number of?
Students in a class. Students in a
Number
class.
of students, yeah. Because it depends. If the class is size is small, you can go with what? First one. First one is what? Byte. If the strength is more, next you can go number of students in May. In our training, we have 1,000 students also sometimes. That's the reason you are taking like this.
Number of days in a week.
Number of days in a week, we can go with byte now. We can go with byte only because 7 days only, right? If it is crossed 255, then
Number of floors.
Number of days in a year.
Number of student marks.
Number of floors, yeah, but low floor, cellar floors will be there. Now that's a problem. Next, number of
days in a
Student total
Very
marks.
good, excellent. 1 minute. Number of, wait. Number of, you can respond to chart. Number of days in year. So let's say 365 like that. Okay. Yes. Come on.
Sir, number of hours in a year.
Oh, excellent. Number of
False.
hours. I don't know. Number of hours will not cross 65,000, right?
No, sir.
Calculate and very good. Enough. Do research.
Measure voltage in a substation, sir.
Sorry.
Voltage.
Voltage in a substation.
Negative. Yeah.
Okay, fine. What is Ajay? I didn't get you. Sorry.
Voltage, sir.
Voltage, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Fine. You do one thing. Send me 10 variables, real-time variables for ushot, all of you guys. Next, we are going for the next data type that is called uint. U stands for unsigned. Same story again. And predefined size is 4 bytes. 4 into 8 equal to 32 bits of unsigned integers. And coming to base type is for uint base type is base type. Uint, you can guess also. Uint 32. Uint 32 is the base type. Base type is system dot u into 32. System dot u into 32. Okay. U into 32. Okay. Now next, come on guys, we'll see the min and max value. I'm sure it will be huge data, huge number, I hope. And min value we know very well, 0. Max value is required. Uint max value. Uint max value, right? Uint max value. Oh, big value. Okay. Now guys, one more thing you forgot about ushot. You can give even though ATM pin for ushot. I think ATM pin will be 4 digits, right?
Yes.
Yeah, 4 digits data you cannot accommodate in byte. So ATM pin will not have any negative value. So that also you can give with ushot. And now uint, come on, tell me uint real-time variable for uint. I think cell number, Indian cell number will have 10 digits. Let me try with Mobi number. In US, how many digits number it is?
10
digits.
10 only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1.
Zero.
Okay. Yeah. Let's see. Yes. Okay. Now that means 1 minute. Mobile number, you can go with what? Uint 9866. You observe. My number I am typing here. 9866 193 194. Like phone numbers you can go with. And coming to the population, even though, no, it's not allowing, man. 4 plus 6, 10. Not allowing uint. You have to go with next level. Mobile number, if you want to declare, you have to go with next level. What is the next level data type?
Ulong.
You have to go with ulong. Then where you will use uint? Pin code, Indian pin code. Indian pin code will have, I think, 3 plus 3, 6 digits. You can go with uint. Can I go with ushot here? Ushot. Pin code, I am telling Indian pin.
No.
Pin code, you see. So Indian pin code, you have to go with what, uint fine, pin code. Okay, now like that, any more train numbers like that, you check that. Okay, now next, coming to fourth data type is called ulong. Ulong means predefined size 8 bytes. 8 into 8, 64 bits. Okay, base type is ulong base type you want to check. You people can guess also. Ulong base type is system dot u into 64. System dot u into 64 and ulong. And yeah, whenever you have biggest unsigned numerical data, then go with ulong. Can you give me some real-time examples for ulong?
Account number.
Excellent. Account number, bank account number 0, like this. Okay. Next, you can tell 100 examples now. U long, country population, country population, country population, country population, and employee number. Because employee number in a company, you have lakhs of employees sometimes. So employee number. Next, student number or hall ticket number, SID, student number, student hall ticket number. Next, any more? Come on, tell me.
Marks.
Marks don't require. Marks is generally, according to my knowledge, marks may contain floating. That's the reason we will not consider into numerical first of all. Next.
SSN number, social security
Excellent.
number.
Excellent. SSN. Right. Next.
Number.
Sorry. Mobile number. Mobile number. That's now we tried with you into Mobi. My number I tried. It's not fitting. You see now. Now you see. Now mobile number. And that means whenever you are writing a program, if you want to declare mobile number, you have to go with what? U-long. If you write a program like this, then like with the appropriate data types, suppose you will go to a company, they are conducting mission test. And some of the students in the previous batch, when they went for interviews, they had shared with me. They have given a paper and asking to write some programs. In front of them, you have to write programs. Sometimes, very rarely, this type of recruitment will happen in India. Generally, in India, it will be regular. Frequently, this type of programming. But in US, they will not give programming and they'll ask some telephonic interviews, type interview. Sometimes. But one or two girls told to me they have given a program and asking you to write on board, sometimes in system and has to show. Very rare, but even though if you have a choice also, you'll write a program with appropriate data types, 100% marks to you only, because everybody will declare for this only int, but you will only declare like this. Okay, so that is a story. Total we have seen up to here only numerical data types. They are 4 plus 4 is what? 4 plus 4 is what? 8. Okay, so that is a story. Now I have already given tasks. Again, I am giving you tasks because you should be strong like anything in these data types. Task 1 is find 10 real-time variables for every data type. Like 8 into 10, you have to find 80 variables. Okay, send to me. Task 2 is prepare a handwritten detailed notes on numerical data types and send to me. Clear, you have to. Okay. So these 2 tasks you have to complete before you are coming to the tomorrow session. Then only I'll go to the floating point data types. Okay. So thank you very much for today's session. And if anybody having any questions, you can wait. Thank you. Bye bye. Bye to all. You can